How do you deal with awkward or difficult people when you are in a customer service role? How do you act if they're angry? Do you get angry with them? No, you don't. You use something called politeness theory. After this video, you will find out all about it. Watch to the end of this video to see an example of what not to do and what not to say. The politeness theory was developed by two linguists, Brown and Levinson, and is all about how we manage conversations to avoid being rude or causing embarrassment. It's based on the idea of face, how people want to be seen. In Thailand, the idea of losing face is the worst thing that can happen to you. There are even defamation laws because of this. There are two different types of face. So according to the theory, everyone has two types of face: positive face and negative face. Positive face, the need to feel liked, appreciated, and included. Negative face, the need to have freedom and not be interrupted or controlled. When we speak politely, we are trying to protect the listener's face and our own. There are 4 politeness strategies. 1, bold on record, very direct. Give me a refund. 2, positive politeness, friendly and personal. Hey, I know it's been a long day, but could you help me out? 3, negative politeness, respectful and indirect. I'm sorry to ask, but could you check this for me? 4, off record. Hints and suggestions. I thought the bill would have been a bit lower. Dealing with awkward customers. Now let's talk about how this theory actually helps you at work, especially when you're dealing with rude or awkward customers. Maybe they're angry, demanding, or complaining, but you still have to stay polite. And here's how to use politeness strategies in those moments. Always remember, put yourself in their shoes. That's an idiom. Think about it from their point of view. If you were them, how would you feel? And that will always help you to be polite. Example number 1, an angry customer about a delay. Let's look at a short video clip.
This is taking forever. Why are you so slow?
I really understand your frustration and I apologise for the delay. Let me check the status for you right away.
So you can see from this video that a customer was complaining about the delay. You can also see that the server was very polite about it. This is an example of negative politeness response. Example 2, customer wants a refund but doesn't follow policy. Let's look at another video.
I want a full refund now.
I completely understand where you're coming from, sir. Let me explain what I can do for you based on our policy.
So again, in this video, you can see that the server remained polite throughout. This is an example of a positive and negative politeness response. Why it works. You acknowledge them, positive face, but you also protect yourself and your company using clear, polite language. Example 3, passive-aggressive or sarcastic comment. Let's look at the third video.
I guess customer service isn't your strong point, huh?
Well, I'm really sorry this experience hasn't been what you expected, sir. Let's see how I can fix it for you as soon as possible.
So again, in this video, the server remains polite. This is an example of off-record or calm response. Tips for staying polite under pressure. Stay calm. Control your tone, not just your words. Use respectful phrases. I understand. Let me check. Thanks for your patience. Avoid blame. Focus on the solution, not the problem. Protect your face too. Stay professional. Don't let emotions take over. Remember, a lot of the time, they're not angry at you. They're angry about the situation. You are the person dealing with the situation. They're not angry with you. All right, let's practice. What would you say in this situation? A customer says, "Why is everything so expensive here? I could get it cheaper somewhere else." What would you say? Type it in the comments down below. One possible reply could be, "I understand price is important and we always try to offer good value. Let me show you what makes this product special." Now, as promised at the start of the video, I'm going to show you a video clip where this does not work very well. It's actually the server being quite rude. I do apologize for the bad language in the next video. It is only one bad word. Please excuse me.
This is taking so ever. Why are you so slow?
I really understand your frustration, sir, and I apologise for the delay. Let me check my bag of fucks and see if I have any left for you.
Okay guys, that is the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching to the end. And now you understand politeness theory. Politeness theory isn't just for language nerds like me. It's useful, it's real, and it can help you sound more confident and professional in English, especially when things get comfortable. And if you're in a customer service role, it makes you sound more polite and professional. So try to use the politeness theory whenever you have somebody that is angry with a situation and they are dealing with you. Remember, don't get angry yourself because most of the time it's not aimed at you. So if you like this video, comment, click, like, subscribe, share, all of these things. And if you like, click on the link, consider buying me a coffee. It is all very much appreciated. And if you want to watch more content, click on this video right here and watch another video. See you next time.